Most of the time you feel left out in a conversation. Talking to a stranger sometimes feels like a war, but why? Whereas some people can walk into a room and instantly connect with everyone. Dale Carnegie's book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, gives us timeless principles to solve this. Here are 4 simple steps that can change the way people respond to you. Step 1. Make people feel important sincerely. Everyone craves recognition, but it has to be real. Don't flatter. Instead, give honest appreciation. If someone helps you, don't just say thanks. Say, the way you helped me made the work easy. That's not only gratitude, it's acknowledgement. And acknowledgement builds strong bonds faster than anything else. Step 2. Smile and remember names. A genuine smile makes you approachable before you even speak. And remembering a person's name is powerful. It shows respect and makes the other person feel seen. Something as simple as, "Good to see you again, John," creates instant connection. Small gestures, big impact. Step 3. Show genuine interest in others. People love talking about their own lives, dreams, and struggles. Instead of focusing on what you want to say, lean in and listen. Ask follow-up questions. For example, if someone says, "I started learning guitar," don't just nod. Ask, "That's great. What song are you learning first?" That small effort shows you care, and people always remember how you made them feel. Step 4. Respect other opinions and avoid arguments. Arguments create winners and losers. Respect creates connection. Instead of saying, "You're wrong," try, "That's an interesting perspective. Can you tell me more?" It keeps the conversation open, and it earns you respect in return. It also doesn't turn a conversation into an argument.